Hi friends, so today I have Jessica here. She's here to help me to try the naturally organic products. So we just launched this, we're going to launch this next month, so I'm very excited because Jessica has a bit of eczema skin. So today I'm going to get her to give me some reviews of this product. So I'm going to get her to wash her face first. So you put the cleanser on your face first, then you use this one to wash.
Oh, half face only.
Half face, yeah. Half face to try. So she's using this one first. Okay, wet your face.
But so many, can I just use half?
Okay, then you just wash the whole face.
Later you see the difference between use and don't use.
Yeah. Just now I should take a before picture of it.
Later you edit the video.
Later I cut this. Okay, the cleanser is very creamy, very soothing and calming. It's made of corn flour.
No bubble.
You can wet. No, there's no bubble. It's free of synthetic fragrances, SLS, SLES, so no foamy effect. Yeah. You can wet your face a little bit, then you to wash. Yeah, better. Yeah. Much more comfy this way. So the cleanser takes away the dirt, but at the same time it calms down and soothes the skin.
Okay.
Okay, today I'm going to do a very special treatment just for Jessica. So if you come to my place, right, I'll give you a special facial treat, okay? So just book me for an appointment, you can come to my place. Maximum 2% that I can take.
Okay.
Okay, cool. How do you feel?
Good, fresh.
Fresh, yeah? Okay, cool. So next, right, we're going to get you to dry your skin a little bit. Okay, cool. So next, right, I have a little bit of water on my hand already. So I'm going to put exfoliating powder first. And then I'm going to put a lot of oil onto the skin. The exfoliating powder, right, does takes away the dead cells. And then this one has sweet almond oil and olive oil together. It helps to nourish and to protect the skin against the environment, and to also, it has sesame oil as well, so it nourish and moisturize the skin at the same time. So I put very generous exfoliating powder and the oil and a little bit of water onto the skin to create a paste. So just put about just gonna put the on her face a little bit. Sorry, I need you to come near to the bowl. So I'm going to apply like a paste first. So you can choose to use it as a scrub if you want to, or you can just apply first as a paste to calm down the skin. So because when you have eczema skin, it's very hard to find a mask that soothes the skin and to exfoliate the skin at the same time. So if you want, you can leave it just for, and you can put more oil to make it much more calming. So I'm going to put half the face so to show to Jessica the difference. This one no need to put too long, about 5 minutes will do. Then later we'll do the other side for her. So I'm going to wash my hands first. So how do you feel on the skin?
Smells good though.
It smells good. Yeah, it smells like baby powder actually when I tried the products. So basically the naturally purifying cleanser is infused with corn flour, floral water and sweet almond oil. It helps to remove dirt and leave skin feeling nourished and soothed. Okay, and then the exfoliating powder gently exfoliates. It has vitamin C, it has hydrogenated castor oil, and the last one, nourishing oil, leaves skin feeling hydrated and contains blend of sweet almond oil, olive and sesame oil, all extremely comforting for extra sensitive dehydrated skin. So it's very good for those who have very, very dry skin and are looking for a lot of nourishment on the skin. Yeah. So maybe I tell you more about what I do. Basically, I have been doing this for 10 years and and I know Jessica for many years already.
Yeah,
7 years. Oh my god, so long. Yeah, and then we become best friends. I love it when we become from customer we become friends, and now we are BFF. We know everything of our secrets. Jessica is also my financial planner. So if you're looking for a person to take care of your finances, to help you to do investments, Jessica is the one that I look for. So you can also look for her. I'll put down her link in my bio in the YouTube videos as well. So yeah, so then so she has been suffering from eczema since young, right?
20s?
Since
early 20s.
Early 20s, yeah. So yeah, so I thought like, because since we launched this naturally organic products and she has been using Ufinity anyway, so I thought asking her to try and then tell me more about how she feels and everything. Okay, good. So next we're going to get her to remove the paste on her face. So if you have extremely sensitive skin, I would advise you just wipe away after that. Don't scrub.
I think it's done. Because not a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see immediate effect. I'll show you. Okay. Can you see right side is much more hydrated compared to the left side?
Think so?
Yeah. Right? Yeah, and then bit brighter also compared to here. And much more moisturized. Yeah. So you can do this treatment 1 week twice. Yeah.
If normal?
Normal as in what?
Just daily usage?
This one when you do exfoliating it's only 1 week twice.
But if
Yeah,
I
if
normal,
normal,
this one
just
cannot do as a
this-
normal. Only these two.
These two. Yeah.
Oh.
This one you can use it at night if you want to lah. Yeah.
Daytime?
Daytime also can. This one very lighter than rose.
Oh yeah, it's very creamy. Very
Yeah, Infinity oil, yeah. This patch. Okay, then after that you just apply the nourishing oil as your moisturizer and I'll get the sunscreen for you. 3 drops will do.
Then just what?
Then just wipe, yeah. I'll get you the
Still have powder.
Then wash okay.
Need water?
What after the powder?
It's okay. Okay.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put with sunscreen. So this sunscreen is very watery and is suitable for all skin type.
I like it.
Yeah, it's very lightweight. And it's SPF 50. Blocks UVA, UVB, UVC.
What is UVA? UVB?
Yeah, good question. UVA is prevent because sunscreen has 3 types: UVA, age your skin; UVB burns your skin; UVC gives you cancer. So this one blocks everything. So when you apply sunscreen, you apply downwards motion.
See, I'm not very.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how do you feel the whole of the naturally products on your skin?
This is lighter compared to Real Infinity. And smells better as well.
Yeah, it smells like baby powder. So now it smells like baby already.
Because Real Infinity cream can be quite heavy. Your face can be quite sticky. Especially morning when you want to go out. Yeah. And then after that, plus oil on even. But this feels very light.
Very light. So Infinity oil you can use at night, this one per day. Yeah. And this one, right, best part is you can also put it on your hair ends. When your hair is dry, you can actually put it on your hair ends as well. So this is what I do every night on my hair ends because my hair ends are quite dry.
Okay.
Okay, great. So
Yay.
Thank you so much, Jessica.
Come to Juice Place
Thank you.
to test this naturally.
Yes, come to my place and I will pepper you with the naturally products, the latest products. Of course, I will also go accordingly to your skin type. So next, right, we're going to do skin analyzing for Jessica. So I have the skin analyzer here. So I'm going to do a new. We just came out with this AI technology. Okay, I can use it on my phone. So I'm going to do a device analysis right now for her. So I'm going to key in her my existing customer contact.
Please look up at the rear camera.
So you see, it indicated please look up at the rear camera. So I'll get Jessica to look at the camera and.
Photo will be taken soon. Photo has been taken successfully.
See, so cool, right? Okay. So we'll analyze it right now. So normally I'll do it before we do the skincare, what do you call it? The skincare procedure. So normally I'll do it before skincare procedure. So but today I just do it after.
That should be before.
Yeah, it should be done before. So now it's analyzing. See, you can analyze your blemishes, your dark pores, all this. Okay.
But then we should do this after we cleanse it.
Yeah, after you cleanse the face first. Oh no, I need to. Oh, I off it. Okay. Now I need to connect my device. Connect. The old version software is connect before, but this is after. Okay, good. So now I'm going to do the analyzing for her. They will indicate forehead, left cheek, right cheek kind of thing. So I need to make sure that the image is clearer so I can. Okay, left cheek.
You want me to hold on?
No, it's okay. Okay. So. Okay, good. Steady. Not too bright. Too much pressure. Okay, better. Okay, done. So now it's analyzing.
So the best part is to ask the person to analyze to hold the device.
Yeah.
It's more steady.
It's better. So the customers can play around as well. Thank you. Oh, 80 upon 100. Okay, mild blemish, average skin, mild blemish. Okay, very good. So early signs of aging, high sensitivity, dryness, medium only. Very good. This means quite hydrated. Yeah, so very first. Okay. So he actually gives all the analyze of her skin, which is quite accurate, and then they will actually propose the products for you, which you are using, which is the product that I actually recommended for her. So then after that, I'll send her the results, which I can share here. Okay, so I shared test results. So and she will have all these reports on her phone.
Ta-da!
And then we actually recommend the products that she's supposed to use, which I'm already recommended to her. Quite soon, huh? Yeah, you see, you're already using softener and gel mask.
From my phone.
Yeah. So it's a very interesting experience. So if you want to know more about your skin type and then want to analyze your skin, please look for me if you're not served by any Mary Kay Beauty consultant. So I thank you all so much for watching, and please follow me in all my social media. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!